Hey there, welcome back to Health Changes. Not all processed foods are created equal. Some are just pre-cut apples. Others, they're chemical storms in a shiny wrapper. In this video, we'll break down the 5 levels of processed foods from harmless to harmful and show you how they're really affecting your body. Stick around, because knowing the difference could change the way you eat forever. Let's start at the top, the cleanest, most natural form of food. Unprocessed and minimally processed foods are just that, untouched or only slightly altered for convenience. Think fresh fruits and vegetables, raw nuts, eggs, plain meat, or frozen berries. They haven't had anything added to them, no sugar, no salt, no chemicals. They're rich in nutrients, full of fiber, and support everything from gut health to brain function. Even if it's chopped, peeled, or frozen, it still counts as minimally processed, and that's totally okay. Next up, ingredients we extract from whole foods. These are things like oil, butter, sugar, salt, vinegar, or flour. They're processed, yes, but they're usually used to prepare meals, not eaten on their own. Used in moderation, they're not harmful. But when they become the main event in your food, that's when problems can start. Now we're getting a little deeper. Processed foods have been changed for convenience, shelf life, or taste, but they still resemble the original food. Examples include canned beans, sliced bread, plain yogurt, tofu, and natural cheese. These can still be part of a healthy diet, especially if you choose versions with minimal additives. The key, read the label, fewer ingredients equals usually better. Here's where it gets tricky. Ultra-processed foods are industrial creations full of additives, flavor enhancers, preservatives, and artificial colors. They're not just cooked, they're engineered to keep you craving more. We're talking about chips, soda, frozen pizza, flavored instant noodles, sugary cereals, and packaged cookies. They often have a long list of unrecognizable ingredients. And unfortunately, they're linked to serious health issues: obesity, type 2 diabetes, inflammation, even depression. The worst part? They hijack your hunger hormones, making it hard to know when you're actually full. At the bottom of the list, industrial formulations. These products barely resemble food at all. Protein bars that taste like birthday cake, diet sodas, artificial creamers. They trick your brain into thinking you're eating something nutritious. But what you're really getting is flavor without substance. They disrupt your gut bacteria, confuse your appetite signals, and leave you unsatisfied. So what can you do about it? First, don't stress. It's not about being perfect, it's about being aware. Swap sugary cereal for oats with fruit, choose plain yogurt, and add your own honey. Buy bread with ingredients you can pronounce, and maybe drink water instead of soda just once a day. These little swaps add up over time, and they give you back control, one bite at a time. Processed food isn't all bad, it's a spectrum. The goal isn't to cut everything out. It's to understand what you're putting into your body and why. The more you know, the better choices you can make. If this video helped you rethink what's in your pantry, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. And let me know in the comments which type of processed food surprised you the most.